Hey Benares, can you tell me what is the rules for auditioning for the Seven Dancing Smiles? Because I freakishly don't know how to do stuff for that. Oh, anyway, I'm too mad to go to your channel and find stuff on how. So just comment down below am I going to do to audition for the Seven Dancing Smiles. And guys, I'm gonna do a new video, not maybe tomorrow or stuff, but maybe not today or not tomorrow, but maybe tomorrow. Guys, sorry that I did. Okay, I'm gonna post a video about a new year and stuff. And please, Benares, comment down below what am I gonna do to do audition for the Seven Dancing Smiles. Sorry guys, a long time I didn't post videos on YouTube, but today I'm calling out to you again to subscribe me and belated Merry Christmas in advance, Happy New Year. Bye guys. Oh, subscribe me again or else die.